Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make this delicate stitch. This is a very simple pattern using double crochet and chain spaces, and it is a repeat of 2 rows. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. We will start by making a slip knot. So twist your yarn and pull one end through. Insert your hook into a slip knot and tighten it. And we will start making foundation chain. The pattern is the multiple of 3 plus extra chain 4. Yarn over the hook, pull through, chain 1. Yarn over the hook, pull through, chain 2. Yarn over the hook, pull through, chain 3. 4, 5 and 6, and carry on working your foundation chain, and just remember that the number of chains will be divided by 3 plus 1 extra chain. This round is going to be very easy as we will be working double crochet into each chain of the foundation chain, starting from chain number 4. We will not count the loop which is on your hook. We will count those V-shapes as your chains. And every V-shape is 1 chain. So 1, 2, 3. I have 3 V-shapes, and this is your chain 3, which will count as first double crochet. Next V-shape is my chain 4, and I will work double crochet into this stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the back loop of this 4th chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this is your first double crochet made. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain through the back loop only, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next double crochet ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops. And I will show you one more time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and carry on working double crochet into each chain of the foundation chain. I will start the second row by turning my work round, and I will make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This chain 6 will work as first double crochet plus chain 3, and I will work double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So again, we will not count this loop on your hook. 1, 2, 3. 3rd V-shape is your 3rd chain, and we will work double crochet into this chain in exactly the same way as we were working double crochet into foundation chain. Into this first stitch where we started our chain 6, we will make double crochet. So into this space here. And we will skip next 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2. And I will show you the pattern repeat now, and we will start working into this 3rd double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We will start by making double crochet into the stitch. We need to make chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Into the third chain from the hook, we will make double crochet, and again in the same way as we were doing making foundation chain. And now we will come back to this double crochet worked into the previous row, and we will make one more double crochet into the same space. And we will need to skip 2 double crochet. And this is how our pattern looks now. And I will show you the repeat one more time. So after skipping 2 double crochet, we will work double crochet into the third double crochet. Let me just pull my yarn. We will need to make chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we will work double crochet into the third chain from your hook. And again, we are going to the previous row and into the last worked double crochet where we made double crochet. We'll make one more double crochet, and we will skip next 2 double crochet. And I will show you the repeat one more time. So again, we are working into third double crochet, making double crochet, then chain 3, double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and going back again to this row 1 where you have last worked stitch and you have this double crochet here, we'll make one more double crochet. And again, we will need to skip 2 double crochet and carry on this pattern until you reach the end, and I will show you what to do at the end. I'm now at the end of my work. I have worked 2 double crochet with double crochet and chain 3 on top into 1 stitch, and of course I will need to skip the next 2 double crochet. Into the last double crochet I will make double crochet, and I will not be working into the starting chain 3, and this is the end of this row. Third round is going to be very easy, and before we start I would like you to look at this pattern repeat where you have 2 double crochet worked into 1 stitch, and on top of this you will have double crochet, and on top of double crochet you will have chain 3, and in this round we will be working into this chain 3 space. So we will start by turning our work round, and we will make chain 3, which will count as first double crochet. And now we will be working into this chain 3 spaces. So into the first chain 3 space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So this is how it looks now, and we are going to work into the next chain 3 space, so again on top of this double crochet, and we will make 3 double crochet into this chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3, and we will carry on working 3 double crochet into every chain 3 space, which is on top of this double crochet here, and I will show you how to finish this round. I have now finished my last 3 double crochet into chain space, and I'm left with chain 3 of starting chain 6. I will need to make double crochet into this third chain, so if you can see here, into this space here of this starting chain 6, and this is the end of this row. And in this row you should have exactly the same number of double crochet as in the first one, counting of course those starting chain 3s as double crochet. This fourth row is the repeat of the second row. So again we will start by turning our work round, and we will make chain 6, 4, 5 and 6, and this chain 6 we will again count as first double crochet plus chain 3 into the third chain from your hook. We will make double crochet, and into this first double crochet from the previous round we will make double crochet, and again we need to skip 2 double crochet, and into the third one we will make double crochet, starting our repeat. Chain 3 again, and double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Double crochet into the same stitch as the last double crochet worked into the stitch from the previous round, and again skip 2 double crochet and start your repeat again, and carry on until you reach the end, and at the end again into the last double crochet make double crochet. This pattern is a repeat of 2 rows, row 2 and 3, and after you have made those first 3 rows you will need to repeat pattern for row 2 and then row 3, and again row 2 and row 3 until you reach the desired length.